This song is called Closer by Kings of Leon, and it actually was requested by Jesse himself and Kim. They've been trying to get me to do it for a few weeks, but I can't find the music for it, so I'm just going to have to do it for you a cappella, and I hope you like it. So here it goes. Stranded in this spooky town, sunlight is swaying and the phone lines are down. Snow is crackling cold. She took my heart, I think she took my soul. With the moon I run, far from the carnage of the fiery sun. Driven by the strangler vein, showing no mercy, I do it again. Open up your eyes, baby, keep on crying and I'll bleed you dry. Skies are blinking at me, I see a storm bubbling up from the sea. And it's coming closer, and it's coming closer. You shimmy shook my boat, leaving me stranded all in love on my own. Do you think of me where I am now, baby? Where do I sleep? Feels so good, but I'm old. 2,000 years are taking its toll, and it's coming closer, and it's coming closer. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think. Love you both.